Welcome back. And we have been discussing the polls, but with the latest barrage of demands by various political outfits to delay the polls, a new twist has been added. And of course, the new stakeholders this time happen to be the student community that is not quite impressed. Well, our executive editor Sanjay Pinto dwelled on that one big question with the stakeholders themselves. Let's take a look.
Never in the history has the Election Commission asked political parties about suggestions for dates, but then of course never in the history of Tamil Nadu also have we ever had a 1 month gap between polling and counting. But Sri Prapanch, a college student in fact, is here. Prapanch, the fact that you will have to go through the campaigning and all that, have to prepare while campaigning goes on, to what extent are you going to be hit, and when are your exams likely to be?
How do you expect us to prepare for the exams amid these noises? You see, if there's a lot of noises in your room, how will you be able to do this bulletin? And it's a democratic country.
Yeah, we have, fortunately here we have a noiseless soundproof studio, but yes, your point is taken.
Yeah, but this is a democratic country and I'm a first time voter. They should have asked, us before deciding the dates of the election. And as far as we are concerned, the election date should be at the end of April or in the beginning of March.
Peer Mohammed, low voter turnout is what Ms. Jayalalitha says is likely to happen. Also, that other important question of New Year, the Tamil New Year, also Telugu New Year. We are told that a lot of significant there's a significant Telugu population as well in Tamil Nadu. Low voter turnout will benefit which side?
Yes, Sanjay, this is going to, that is what the opposition is worrying about. Both AIDMK Supremo Jayalalitha and MDMK General Secretary Vaiko have expressed concern about low voter turnout, because this is April 13th is a Wednesday, and next day is because of Ambedkar's birth anniversary, it is a government holiday, and also it is going to be a long weekend and people might go out on a holiday and they may not turn out to vote. That is quite an alarming concern from the political parties, particularly from the opposition.
To Mr. Naresh Gupta, sir, also, do you believe that when you have a low voter turnout, that bogus votes could be cast? What has been your experience in the Election Commission so far, sir? There's an apprehension that bogus votes could be cast. A lot of malpractice could take place when there's low voter turnout.
No, there is of course that apprehension that if people are not there, for the absent electors, some other people may be brought to impersonate. But low voters turnout also, the concern is that the candidate who is elected will not really will reflect the true choice of the electorate or the people. So low voters turnout is of course a matter of concern, and the effort has been to improve the turnout through IEC campaigns, that is information, education and communication campaigns.
All right.
But probably I have a feeling that it may not be significantly affected, the turnout may not be significantly affected by the fact that the Tamil New Year's Day is on the following day. But the other aspect which has to be kept in mind also is that the longer the period of campaigning, the more is the chance of malpractices, and we have had a lot of distribution of money and biryani, liquor, etc. So from that angle it needs to be welcomed.
And finally, some news now from Bollywood. Vidya Balan and Shah Rukh Khan could be finally romancing each other in the adaptation of Chetan Bhagat's Two States. Take a look.
So to put up an ad for an arranged marriage, how would it read in one line or two lines?
A Tam girl who can cook lovely coconut chutney and also lick them off your fingers once you're done with it.
And considering the makers of the adaptation of Chetan Bhagat's Two States are looking for a leading lady to play the South Indian protagonist, we can't think of a better audition than this one. And while rumour had it that Shah Rukh Khan had suggested that Vishal Bhardwaj and Sajid Nadiadwala look out for a new face, we have a sneaking feeling Vidya's more than up for the job of romancing SRK.
Romantic hero of all time is Shah Rukh Khan, and I'm waiting to pair up with him for some film, hopefully a crazy romance.
And SRK doesn't seem to be averse to the idea either.
Vidya is one of my favorite actors.
Well, in this case, we hope that 2 + 2 = 2 states. No word yet on whether our formula adds up, Let's just hope the producers are listening in. NDTV Bureau Report.
Well, that's all we have time for. More news and updates follow at the top of next hour. Keep watching.